This is perhaps one of Italy's best kept secrets, and it's right here on the second largest island in the Mediterranean, Sardinia. With its amazingly beautiful stretches of coastline, it's not really surprising that Sardinia has some really stunning beaches with amazing vibes. In the last episode, we visited the mine of Porto Flavia, with its very own private beach and the little sister islet, Pan di Zucchero. From Porto Flavia, we continued west and then inland on the SS-120, passing through the ghost mining town of Ingutoso, and then arriving at the golden sandy beach of PISCINAS. Next, we continued to the most unique beach we've ever seen, IS ARUTAS. It's not a secret that Sardinia is famous for its pristine, absolutely beautiful beaches, but we wanted to see something unique. The first hidden gem we visited was the Dunes di PISCINAS, located in the Sardinian municipality of Arbos. Getting to the dunes involves going a little off-road for about 2 kilometers. Okay, so because of the sand, I sent Pietro off alone. This way we don't risk falling off, both of us, falling off the bike. So he's gonna look for a place to park, and I'm just gonna walk and enjoy the view. It's really sandy. I mean, it's expected, it should be sandy. So there's also a hotel here, it's called Hotel Le Dunes PISCINAS. There's ample parking space, which is paid only during peak season in summer. So for us, here's what makes the dunes of PISCINAS truly special. Of PISCINAS, we continued on, passing one of the most progressive shepherds I've ever seen. So this is our third stop for today in Is Arutas. Is Arutas. Is Arutas is a beach which is known for its special sand. I don't know if it's sand. It's not sand. It's more like pebbles. I think they're quartz. I read that they're quartz. I'm really curious to see what they look like. Very, very curious to see. But regardless, it looks amazing. By the way, it's April 24th, so it's just the beginning of spring, so it's still cold. It's not warm enough to swim. Yeah. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Ah, such beauty. Oh, look at that. I came here for this. I came here for this. Just gonna put this here. It's so pretty. Look at that! Oh my god! They're so pretty. Wow. I didn't expect them to be so soft. Come here every day. It's not sand, so you don't get stained or anything, you know. I'm gonna take off my shoes. Just so I can feel these pebbles. Oh, look at my boots. Ooh. Oh, so nice. Take them off. Take them off. Oh, oh, it's beautiful. Take out the socks as well. Oh, that's so beautiful. It's cold. The water is cold. Oh, it's freezing. freezing. It's freezing. It's so beautiful anyway. Oh, I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it. And the water is so clear, so clean. Amazing. Oh, you get used to it, I guess. So over here there is more sand, but then there's the pebbles.